Spyderco's Lil Native Lightweight distills all the proven qualities of the iconic Native 5 into a compact, ultra-lightweight package. Its legally friendly sub 2.5-inch blade is crafted from Carpenter's CTS BD1N stainless steel and features a fully accessible trademark round hole for swift one-handed opening with either hand. The full flat ground blade is supported by a precision machine back lock mechanism housed in a lightweight fiberglass-reinforced-nylon handle. The injection molded handle reduces the knife's weight by 35% compared to its G10 counterpart and adds a high traction bi-directional texture pattern for a secure grip. The handle also includes a generously sized lanyard hole and a reversible deep pocket wire clip that offers a choice of left or right side tip-up carry. Designed by Eric Lesser and proudly manufactured in America, the Lil Native Lightweight is available in both PlainEdge and fully serrated SpyderEdge configurations.